Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are opening up my June PR bags, my June Ipsy PR bags, as well as my May paid Glam Bag. And as you can see, we're in our old location as requested. So right before this, I filmed trying on the items from these three bags, and that's going to be in a vlog on Sunday. So while I'm trying on the makeup, I am answering some of the survey responses. So I will show you that application in that video if you're curious how I got this look. Today we're just going to do the unboxing. I'll share some first impressions. And yeah, I think I might have mixed up a few of the products, but it doesn't matter. They all came through Ipsy. Like I might have mixed up like what was in the May bag and what was in the June Glam Bag, because I tried to go on their website to see, but whenever it's like choice time, which by the way is choice time for the Glam Bag Plus, but I can't get on the website and see. So the bags for June, this is what they look like. I think it's super cute. So here's the plus bag, and then the regular Glam Bag, the $12 bag, looks like this. And then you probably already know, this is what the May bag looks like. And pretty much the theme of Sunday's videos, like I'm working on the channel. Hopefully the lighting's okay. Being in this room, it is almost sunset too. The lighting will probably, switch in and out or just get darker as we go on because it is natural lighting behind us. But anyways, yeah, Ipsy will be linked down below if you're interested in subscribing. Like I said, the regular Glam Bag's $12 and the Glam Bag Plus is $25, but we all knew that. So how about we start with the June bags and then I'll open the May bag after. So let's start off with the $12 bag. And I plan on taking close-up photos to insert. So yeah, this is, I'm not sure, I think one of these items is supposed to be in the Glam Bag Plus, but again, it's okay, they're all from Ipsy. So the first thing I have here is mascara by Tarte, and it's their Lash Paint mascara, and that is what I have on my eyes today, and I liked it. It worked well, it didn't clump at all. We'll see how it is with transferring and if it smudges or anything like that, because I do have hooded eyes, but as of now, it's probably been on a half hour maybe. It is going well. I don't see any smudging. So yeah, like I said, I've tried it before, but I don't really remember what I thought of it. So, because I've been using, Thrive Cosmetics forever. But now I have here, this, I don't know if this came in the Plus. This is the product I was talking about. This is the ABH Liquid Lipstick in Crush, and I'm pretty sure I have this shade, so I didn't try it on today, but it is a pretty pink color. Yeah, I need to look. My beauty room's like, it might look like a little neat behind me, but on the ground there's like all this stuff I have to go through. But I'm pretty sure I have this shade. So I'm not going to swatch it. If I can find it after filming, I will insert a swatch of the one I do have. But this is likely going into a giveaway, and I think it's sample size because it says in the back sample only, not for sale. That's why I wasn't sure what bag it came in. So there's two items I didn't try that came in this bag because of their cruelty-free status, and the first one is by Benefit, and it's the Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And I will be putting this in a giveaway. It says this multitasking microfine mist leaves skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. So it sounds great. It says it feels weightless. It's alcohol-free, which can be really drying on your skin. So yeah, just unfortunately, unless things have changed, let me know if they have. I'm sure they haven't since I recently looked. Benefit is not cruelty-free, and neither is Glam Glow. But I think I have tried this, or I'm pretty sure I have the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. So you can use this all over or as a spot treatment, if I'm remembering correctly, to clear up blemishes. It says actually just uses a full face mask. So, okay. But with any mask, you can use it as a spot treatment too. But they suggest using it as a full mask treatment. And then the last item I have in here is the Infinity Sleeping Lip Mask, and this is by L&M. And I did try this when I started to do my makeup. I love to start off with a lip balm. And this is fun. You can use this as lip balm and not a sleeping mask. It's not super thick. So, I mean, it's kind of melted. Being in this room is really hot. I really forgot. That's probably one of the reasons why I didn't come in here for so long to film. So yeah, it is thick, but it's not like too much. Like, pretty much every sleeping mask I've ever tried, I still could use during the day. So if you don't mind like a thicker mask, feel like a thicker lip balm, I think you will like this, especially if you have dehydrated, cracked lips. It worked well. But again, this is all first impressions. And by the way, next month I plan on reviewing the products at the end of the video, like suggested in the surveys like I used to do. So thank you for your suggestions. I think that should come back to our channel as well. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi, Archer. A lot of people want you on the video, or in the videos. So for the Glam Bag Plus, so we got an eyeshadow palette, and so this is by We Are Fluid, and I think this brand is awesome. So it is Pride Month, as many of us, or all of us know, June is, and it is celebrating, you know, LGBTQ plus, and this brand is fully about supporting that cause, which I think is awesome. I think it's great they included it in this month's bag. I wish they included more brands like this all the time, all year round. But it says, navigate the world from your own true north. Take your look to an interstellar level. So it talks about the brand here. I'm gonna read about it. I know some people said you don't have to read everything, but I think this brand sounds super cool. So We Are Fluid is a queer beauty brand created to celebrate underrepresented faces, empowers self-expression, and champion gender expansive beauty. So I thought that was great. And the color story I think is pretty unique and kind of like, you know, it would throw me off, especially before when I didn't do my makeup all the time, like I was a beginner. And when I started to do my look, I didn't really know where it was going, but I think it all came together, and I really like that pop of green and the oranges, and I think this is so fun. And it says, express your otherworldly self, make up the rules. Yeah, there's no rules in makeup. You can do whatever you want. I've said this many times recently. There is one glitter in this. I did swatch it. I'll include swatches. I haven't taken those like video clips or anything yet, but I will. The glitter definitely works better with a glitter glue. I didn't use it on my eyes, but I did use it on swatches the other night when I got this. I had to get my fingers in there and try it out, but I really like it, and I think the brand sounds really cool, and I want to look up their other items on their website after this for sure. And to get this eye look, I used some brushes by SL Miss Glam, and they have the usual sparkly fun look, and the actual bristles of the brushes are pink and orange. And in this set, does this set have a name? It's the Rainbow Luxe set. Stay sparkly. So it has 3 eye brushes and 2 face brushes. I didn't use the face brushes because I didn't use any powder products, but it looks like we have a powder brush here and like a highlight brush or whatever the hell you want to use it for. So you can see what these look like here, the pink and the orange, because you can't really tell in the brushes I use. Maybe you can. Here's one of the eye brushes. So we got like a bigger blender brush, a smaller one. Sometimes they say what they're for on here, but I don't see it. And then there was a shader brush, which is somewhere around here. But I was able to get my look using all 3 of those, and I didn't have to add in anything else. So that was nice, and they're super cute and fun always. Stay sparkly. Oh, here it is. So here's the shader brush. And then, so I didn't open this one because I already have one. I did try this today, and I don't think it really did much at all, but this is a $135 skincare product by 111 Skin, the Rose Gold Radiance Booster, and I used it how they suggest. One of the ways they suggested is to use it right after cleansing your skin, and I did record it with my phone, so I'll include that footage in the vlog. And I did not really seem, like, it didn't really seem like there was a difference. I don't know. I'm a little glowy right now because of sweating, not because of this. So I don't really get this yet. Can someone explain to me why it's $135? And if it works for you, that's amazing. Can you let me know how you use it and why you love it? I would love to know because I can't figure it out. But I will be giving this one away. And then, I use these too, and I use the Thrive Cosmetics Eye Lift 360 Degrees Waterproof Primer, and this does not provide any coverage. Yeah, in the back it says translucent matte, so that makes sense, but I do think it made a good base, so I just, it has a doe foot, so I just tapped it onto my eyes. Oop, there's like a little gloopy part in there, and then I just rubbed it in with my finger, and I didn't use, like I usually do, my NYX glitter glue for any shimmers, and I haven't had any fallout, so I think it does do a great job. And again, this is first impressions. I will keep you updated when I do my month review next month, when I do my Ipsy videos. And the last thing I tried in here, I was afraid to try, and I'm so glad I did it because I really like it. It was so easy to use. I've been using just pencil eyeliners for a while now, but this is by Gerard Cosmetics, and it's their Eternal eyeliner. And I was able to just do like a little wing super easily. Sorry, my phone just went off. Let me turn that off. And yeah, I didn't put it on my lower lash line. I think I normally would put like a pencil down there, right? I asked you guys in the vlog, but do you guys use liquid eyeliner on the lower lash line too? I actually didn't put any on the lower lash line. Usually I do, so it's a different look for me today. But yeah, I really like it. I'm super excited to keep on using it. And I think that is everything from the June bag. So we're kind of flying through this, right? But again, there'll be another video super soon talking more about it. So let's go through what was in my May bag, I think. So I used a hair mask today in the shower, and I think my hair looks healthy. I haven't really worn it down in a while in a video, have I? Maybe. You guys tell? God, I am glowing from sweat. It is hot. But I think my hair looks healthier. You guys can let me know if you think so, because my hair definitely is in need of some like professional treatment and some cuttings. But this is by Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Repair. So I thought this was perfect. Strengthening hair and scalp mask. And I love that it was for your scalp too. So I did use it everywhere, and it wasn't too heavy. Like some hair masks you could not use on your scalp. You'll come out like looking like, you know, greasy or like dirtier than before. And I don't think that did that. I think this is great. And I didn't use any other hair products, not even detangler like I normally do. And there's like a little bit of like snags I had to kind of work with when I was using my comb earlier, but I think not much at all. Like it was definitely better than normal. Like I didn't have to use a detangler. So that was good. Archer, I'm almost done, baby. Sorry. Come here. I just fed him. And then there's some lotion by Ahava, the Dead Seawater Mineral Body Lotion in Spring Blossom. And I use this after my shower. And then I was thinking, I think one of you told me that Ahava is no longer cruelty free, so I feel bad that I did that. I could have given it away. But it works fine. It smells good. And then there's the Glow On Fifth Beauty Bye Bye Puffy Eyes. And this is a cooling balm. And I use this in the vlog video pretty quickly, but I didn't really feel like it was cooling. Maybe because I'm so hot. I don't know. You would think I actually would feel it more if I was super hot. But I think it did help a little bit with the puffiness. But again, I will have to keep using it to really know how it works. But I love trying new eye products, especially when they say it targets puffiness. Because I have puffy eyes even when I sleep a bunch. Like I did. I slept at least 7 hours last night. You know, like I've been sleeping. So I don't know why I'm still puffy. I think it's genetics. Or allergies, you know, whatever, mixture. And then the last two items are like my favorite items. And this one is a tinted moisturizer. Whenever there's a complexion product, I have to choose that as my choice item. And this is by Antidotes, or no, it's by The Balm. It's called Antidotes. It's a tinted moisturizer, and I have it in shade 10. And I am really into tinted moisturizers. I'm not... Archer, come here, baby! My cats won't come in this room, and it weirds me out. Like, I'm like, why? What's going on in here? Creeps me. Oh, there you are. Hi. I'm so sorry you don't have my attention for 10 freaking minutes. Seriously, I'm home every day, all day, like giving them love, but you guys are getting my attention now, and he is not having it. Little man. Come here. But yeah, I'm really into tinted moisturizers, and I think this is a great shade match, but again, it's easier to match with tinted moisturizers because there's less coverage, but I think this did leave my skin feeling moisturized and having, you know, a little bit of coverage, but I am glowy. It didn't provide that much glow, but it looked like I was more hydrated after using it. But this item, I think it was an add-on, like I used points to get it, but this is what's on my lips, and I've used it a couple times now, because of course I peeked into my bags before I filmed. I couldn't help it. With Ipsy, I always do. This is by Sugar, and it's their Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in 28 Honey Rider, and I think the color is just so pretty, and it's like pretty unique, and it's a crayon, so it's easier to put on, but it's matte, so it doesn't like smear like some of these crayon lipsticks I find do smear, but this one doesn't. Like, oh my god, I have like a sweat stash, sorry. But I think this is such a pretty color, and I love it. And I like that it's called Matte as Hell. But yeah, favorite lip color right now. Is that everything? I feel like I flew through this, but I have been filming for 16 minutes. I'm sorry if it was too fast for you. I'm trying to do shorter videos, longer videos in between, so I can make hopefully more people happy with our channel. But again, there'll be another video coming super soon. There you can see me trying on these products. So if you like that style, there's that. If you like both, yeah, see you Sunday. But I should see you tomorrow too with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I would love to know what you're getting in your June bag. I wasn't able to choose, but I did get my PR bags and I think they were good and I really enjoyed using these products. I feel like I was able to use the majority of them, which is super great. And then I have some to give away as well, which is also super great. But let me know, were the choice items good or bad or what? Just fill me in on all the deets, please, and let me know what you chose. Deets. Who am I? All the details and what you chose and if you're happy. I hope you're happy in life. Okay, getting cheesy, but you guys are the best. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever time it is where you are. And yeah, thanks again. I appreciate all of you. I love you. I'm grateful every day. And I'm going to shut my mouth and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.